guys, so today I'm going to be making slime. I'm really excited because I mostly never made slime on this channel before, but here's my bowl. Today I bought a gallon of glue at Walmart, and yeah, then I have a plastic bag down there that has all my slime stuff in it. So let's get started. Okay. Well, I need to put my camera somewhere, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my bottle of glue, if I can open it. I seriously just bought it today, so it's not open, but I need to try to get it open. So this might take a while. Oh my god, jeez. It won't open. Okay, I'll be right back with you guys if I get it open. So guys, I couldn't get it open, so I'm just gonna use 2 school glue bottles. That's like small. So let's pour these in. Okay. Whoopsies. This is what happens. Okay. Okay, so after you do that, I'm just gonna take my shrimp cream and I'm just gonna pour it in. There, that should be good. I'm just gonna stir it up. I'm not sure if you guys know, but I love the smell of shrimp cream. Oh my god, okay. So after you do that, I'm just gonna add a color and foaming hand soap. So I'm gonna add purple. Okay, so there we go. Okay, that should be good. Okay, then I'm gonna add my foaming hand soap, probably like 10 pumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that should be good. Now I'm just gonna mix this around. Which that, guys, it could be optional. You could add cornstarch or lotion. I prefer lotion, but if you want, you can add cornstarch if you don't have lotion. So yeah. Okay, so mix this up. Then I think it's time to add our activator, which mine is borax with water. I put it in this little tiny container thing. So let's pour this in. Keep mixing it. Okay, so keep on adding more. There we go. Okay, so I hope you guys had a happy Thanksgiving, because I sure did. It was actually really fun. I forgot when Thanksgiving was. Was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. Whoopsies. I'm like, losing my mind. Okay. Keep on stirring this. My God, this won't come together. This might actually be a fail. Okay. Oh, it's coming together. Kind of slowly. Okay, so it's not stretchy. That's the thing about adding shaving cream. Well, this shaving cream that I use, it doesn't make it stretchy, but at least it was cheap, so. The one thing is that to make it stretchy and that stuff, is lotion. Yeah, so. Am I adding, okay, so this is not forming together. So maybe more activator? I don't really know. Okay. Keep on mixing. Soon I will probably start kneading it. Just not right now. Okay, so maybe right now I can start kneading it. Okay, so take this, maybe a little more activator. Jeez. Kneading this. Okay, so okay, so more activator. Okay, so I'm gonna add some more activator because this is extremely sticky. So keep on kneading this together like so. Then after I'm gonna add some lotion. And yeah, so See it, guys, this is not stretchy. All you need to do is just add lotion. But yeah, okay. So let's just put this in the bowl. Then we can add lotion. Okay, so I'm gonna add my lotion and just put in there. Sorry guys, I just need to like set up the camera. Jeez. Okay. So mix this together like so. Let's see, okay, it's already forming. Okay, so not really stretchy, but it's getting a little bit better. Put it back in there. Lift this up. Okay, so now I just need to mix it together. See, perfect. Then let's do ASMR. I don't know. guys, this will be the end of this video. If you aren't already, make sure you subscribe and turn on my notifications so you get the bell every time I post. And make sure you make sure you thumbs up this video and comment down below, because I want to hear your thoughts on this video, because I never even made a slime video before, and yeah, only once, but whatever. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. It ain't my fault.
It ain't my fault.